Perennial flowers are the secret to a vibrant, low-maintenance garden that blooms beautifully every season. Today, we'll explore 10 stunning perennials that return year after year, bringing lasting beauty and ease to your outdoor space. Unlike annuals that need replanting each spring, perennials come back from their roots. That means less work, lower costs, and continuous color. They attract pollinators, offer long bloom times, and thrive with minimal care. First, the cheerful black-eyed Susan. These blooms brighten summer to fall and are perfect for cottage gardens or wildflower meadows. Next, lavender, loved for its calming scent and purple blooms. Plant in full sun with well-drained soil and enjoy drought-tolerant flowers year after year. Trim back in early spring for healthier growth. Peonies are luxurious perennials with large, fragrant blooms. Plant in full sun, avoid overcrowding, and stake if needed. Their foliage remains attractive after flowering. Daylilies are low-maintenance perennials that bloom throughout the season. Plant in almost any soil and enjoy flowers that last a day but repeat continuously. Coneflowers bloom from midsummer to fall and attract pollinators. They thrive in poor soil and require little water. Sedums are perfect for sunny, dry areas. Their star-shaped blooms and thick leaves thrive even in poor soil and rocky conditions. Astilbe adds soft color and texture to shaded spots. Keep soil moist and pair with ferns or hostas for a lush, peaceful look. Shasta daisies bloom from early summer to frost. Easy to care for, they are perfect for cottage gardens and attract pollinators. The butterfly bush blooms all summer and attracts pollinators. Plant in full sun, prune in early spring, and plant in groups for a dramatic effect. Creating a garden full of perennial flowers is one of the best ways to enjoy color, fragrance, and wildlife year after year. Start planting your favorite perennials today and watch your garden come alive, season after season. Be sure to check out this video for more.